Hey there, hobbyistas! Today we're taking a look at the RX-78-2 Fat Doll, a quirky and fun toy that's sure to stand out in your collection. But before we get to the details, let's talk about the packaging box. The RX-78-2 Fat Doll comes in a colorful and eye-catching box, featuring images of the toy and its accessories. The packaging also includes details about the toy's features and specifications. The overall design of the box is well thought out and adds to the overall appeal of the product. Now, let's take a closer look at the RX-78-2 Fat Doll. This chubby and playful version of the classic RX-78-2 Gundam stands at around 6 inches tall on a surfboard base. The solid structure of the toy ensures that it won't easily break or become damaged. The surfboard base adds to the overall aesthetic of the toy. The gun accessory are easy to attach and to stay in place. One of the standout features of this toy is the LED light located near the neck. To turn on the LED light, you need to remove the head and press the on button. The light adds a cool and unique touch to the toy and really makes it stand out. If you want to replace the battery of the LED feature, you need to remove the head first. Then you can access the battery compartment located near the neck. If you look closely at the back of the neck, you'll notice a small hole. You can use a toothpick or a similar object to poke through the hole, and the LED, along with the battery, will pop out from the front. The battery type is a standard button cell, which you can easily find in most online watch stores. Simply remove the old battery and replace it with a new one, making sure to align the positive and negative ends correctly. Once you've replaced the battery, you can turn on the LED feature again by pressing the on button. This is a nifty feature that makes it even easier to replace the battery when needed. The build quality of the toy is also impressive. It's made from high quality PVC material that feels sturdy and durable. Some users have reported that there might be some extra plastic flash from the toy, but it is less to minimal issue on it. However, we discovered that there are actually two versions of this toy. The one we have on right now with the blue box has a better mode quality compared to the one with the black box. So, if you're looking to get this toy, make sure to keep an eye out for the blue box version. In conclusion, the RX-78-2 Fat Doll is a unique and playful toy that's perfect for Gundam and toy collectors who want something a little different. The LED feature, high quality build, playful personality, and fun accessories make it a joy to own and display. And if you're getting this toy, make sure to look for the blue box version for the best mode quality. Thanks for watching, hobbyistas, and we'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe to our page.